We have an example here from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on and so forth. So, starting with 0 and 1, each term is the sum of the two previous terms. So, the formula is a sub 3 is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So, that example is one of the example of the Fibonacci sequence. So, what is the Fibonacci sequence? A Fibonacci sequence is probably the most famous number sequence. I have an example here. A newly born pair of rabbits, one male, one female, are put into a field. So rabbits are able to mate at the age of 1 month, which means at the end of the second month, a female can produce another pair of rabbits. Supposed to be that the rabbits never die, and the female always produces one male and one female. So the rabbit here is producing another pair of rabbits. So we can apply the Fibonacci sequence because we are adding a pair of rabbit to another pair of rabbit to know the countings pairs of rabbit in present. Another example here is a Fibonacci sequence in nature. So the best example here is a flower. Flower has a petal. So petals, we can count on these. So we can apply the Fibonacci sequence here. So 3 petals, 5 petals, 8 petals, 21 petals, and 34 petals. So that number the account of petals, we can make a sequence. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we applied the Fibonacci sequence here. So I have another example here. You see the sliced apple here. So if you slice an apple, you can see at the middle there's a bean here. We can apply the Fibonacci sequence here. So in nature, we can use Fibonacci. I have another example here, a Pascal triangle. So what is a Pascal triangle? A triangle is an array of the binomial coefficients. So a Pascal triangle is one of the best example of the Fibonacci sequence. Yes, best example. So we can apply this one. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the number 1 is always right on the right and the left side of the triangle. So the things you need to do here is adding a previous term. So we can apply the Fibonacci sequence here. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then copy the 1 on the left and the right side. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And copy the number 1 on the left side and the right side of the triangle. So that is the best example of Fibonacci sequence.